In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable Chart Auto Scroll on MetaTrader 5. To begin, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 running on your device. The first step is to open a chart. At the top of the platform, click on the File menu. From the menu that appears, select Open Chart, then choose the currency pair or financial instrument you want to view. Once you make your selection, the chart will open and display the price movements for that instrument. After your chart is open, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the platform. This toolbar contains several icons that let you control how your chart behaves. Look through the toolbar until you find the Auto Scroll button. The Auto Scroll button is easy to recognize because its icon looks like a chart with a green arrow pointing to the right. This is the button you'll use to enable automatic scrolling on your chart. When you've located the button, click it once. After clicking it, the button should appear pressed or highlighted. This indicates that the auto scroll feature has been turned on. Once auto scroll is enabled, your chart will automatically move forward whenever new market data arrives. As new candlesticks or bars are added, the chart will continue following the latest price action without requiring you to move it manually. Take a quick look at the toolbar after clicking the button to confirm that it remains highlighted. If it is, the feature is active and your chart is ready to continue following incoming market data. As you continue using the chart, you'll notice that the most recent candlestick or bar remains visible as new data is received. You won't need to manually drag the chart back to the latest price because Auto Scroll keeps it updated automatically. If you ever decide you want to stop the chart from automatically following new data, you can use the same button again. Simply click the Auto Scroll button a second time. Once the button is no longer pressed or highlighted, the feature is disabled. With Auto Scroll turned off, you'll be able to move back through older chart data without the chart automatically returning to the latest price. Whenever you're ready to resume following the current market, simply click the Auto Scroll button again to enable it. That's all there is to it. By opening a chart, locating the Auto Scroll button on the toolbar, and clicking it until it's highlighted, you can quickly enable Chart Auto Scroll in MetaTrader 5 and keep your chart focused on the latest market activity. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.